Hey guys, I'm Whitney.
And I'm Ashley, and we're from shantytochic.com. Who has a blank and boring wall that needs a little revamping?
Well, we have your solution. This is a super easy and inexpensive project that works great on any wall in your house. We're going to show you guys how to get a customized board and batten look using just a few boards and some of our favorite Ryobi power tools.
So let's get started. Before making any of our cuts, we have drawn our wall out to help us plan how much wood we will need and where we will place each board.
We decided to have our MDF ripped from a full sheet at the Home Depot rather than purchasing individual boards. This saves time and money, and it's a lot easier to get in the back of the car. We're using 1/2" MDF for the paneling on our wall. We had that ripped into 12 3.5" boards and one 7.5" board.
Start by attaching your horizontal boards first. These will run the full length of the wall. Our first board will be placed at 40 inches from the ground. Use one of the 3.5" boards for this. Make sure to use a level on this part to keep the board straight.
Use the cordless nailer to attach the board to the wall. Now we're ready for our top board.
This board is the same length as the one we just attached, but we are using the 7.5" board. Line up the base of the board 8 inches from the top of the bottom board and attach it the same way.
Now for our battens. Let's start with our longer boards. Each one of these will be 40 inches long. Start with your outside piece first. Run a line of panel adhesive down the back of each board and attach it using the brad nailer. We like to use 4 to 5 nails per board.
Now attach the rest of the longer boards using the same method. We have chosen to place our battens every 8 inches.
Once you have those in place, you're ready for your smaller boards. Each of these boards are 8 inches long, and we will space them the same width as the bottom boards we just attached. Use a bit of panel adhesive on each piece and attach them using the brad nailer.
To finish off the top, we're going to layer a few different pieces of wood. Start by attaching your 1x4 with adhesive and the nailer. This board will sit right on top of the top horizontal board. Both boards will be flush on the top.
Next, we're going to add the top shelf piece. Run a line of wood glue along the top of the 2 boards you just attached. Lay the other 1x4 board flat on top of these and attach using the nail gun.
Our final piece to add will be the crown molding. This will attach both 1x4 pieces. Use the cordless stapler to hold the crown in place.
Time to finish it off. Before painting, be sure to run caulk down all of your seams and fill any holes with painter's putty. We like to paint all of our boards and the wall between them the same color, and you're set.
For under $100 and in very little time, we have created a fun custom wall treatment with the help of our Ryobi power tools.
Thanks so much for stopping by.
Happy building!